All right, let's talk about resources. So resources in configuration files represent infrastructure objects such as virtual machines, databases, virtual network components, and storage. And so it pretty much looks like this. A resource type determines the kind of infrastructure object it is. So here it says AWS instance, and this would represent an AWS EC2 instance. This is all defined within the provider's documentation. So you have to kind of look at what name they use to figure out what it is. And even though you don't see provider explicitly set here, a resource does belong to a provider, and you can explicitly set it, and you would do this when you'd want to set a resource outside the default provider that you have in your configuration file. And so one little thing that I hadn't mentioned anywhere else, and that's why I made this slide, was to mention about special timeout nested blocks within resources. So some resource types provide a special timeout nested block argument that allows you to customize how long certain operations are allowed to take before being considered to have failed. Okay, so there you go.